It's always been a great experience to learn and to grow as a service technician. I've been wanting to do this since I was 10 years old, and I've been sticking to it. Started working on cars with my dad. Taught me at a very young age how to maintenance them, how to do oil changes, how to do brakes, tires. Buddies of mine, we also did modifying cars, all that kind of stuff. And then I actually went off and got a bachelor's degree in automotive technology, so business side also, parts, all kind of things. Stuck to it and I love it. Ellis has been very helpful in supplying training and helping with the training. Chevy in particular has been doing great things with great vehicles. Being in the garage, working on it, tearing things apart is what I really enjoyed most of learning and growing as a service technician. I moved here from Orange County, New York. I've been living up here for 6 years and I've loved it ever since. It's something new, something I've grown to love and just like the surroundings. The scenery is what gets me, like beautiful places, going on hikes and all that. Hunting and fishing is another big thing up here and I really enjoy that. Working at a place with great people is what makes coming here every day worth it. I've had great opportunities up here and I like to stay.